here here, go here, finish, copy, come to this thing.
Just take pull, just refresh, take a pull. Or sync main branch. On a below where you are able to see this. Yes, click. Yes.
Variable data types you have pushed and Flexbox you have pushed. Yeah, first is variable data types functions. This
First
the
you
one.
need to go with the First you need to go with the. We need to discuss these two topics. One is you can say your this Flexbox, and another one is a you can say variable data type and function. Everything is there. You need to whatever we learned yesterday. You need to repeat that as well. Makes sense. How to create a HTML page and how to do the thing. You need to repeat. Okay, go ahead with the Flexbox first.
Yeah, Flexbox. Basic layout beginners friendly guide. What is Flexbox? Flexbox means flexible box layout. It is CSS. 1 minute. Sorry.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. Now I go with Flexbox. Okay, so do I want to go through this one now? Flexbox.
Yes.
Okay. So what is Flexbox? Flexbox means flexible box layout. It is a CSS layout system used to arrange items in a row or column in a simple and powerful way. Okay. It is a CSS layout system. It's like a tables?
No.
No, okay.
We will check. You just gone through that. We will do a practical.
Okay.
No worries.
So it helps us control direction of items, spacing between items, alignment of items, wrapping of items, how much space each item should take. Data. Think of a parent box that controls children. When you write CSS container, display is equal to flex. So dot container is a class.
Yes, class selector.
Class selector. So in the class selector, you are displaying the flex.
You are using this property, display flex. Okay.
Mm. Okay. So here, what you write is dot container class selector. And the parent becomes a flex container and the child a flex items. So flex is an item, one item, display item. Why do we use Flexbox? Before Flexbox, arranging items neatly was harder. Developers often used floats, inline block, manual margin, complex positioning hacks. Those methods were difficult for common layouts like navigation bars, card rows, centered content, light columns, button groups, and response rows. Those methods were difficult for common layouts.
Means, let's say if you want to show in a, you can say cards in a row. Makes sense. Then that's
Mhm.
a difficult earlier. And let's say you want to centralize your content. It's hard with the earlier approach.
Mm.
Now Flexbox solve this problem. How? Why it's matter? Go down. You will answer that in the next.
So, before Flexbox, arranging items neatly was harder. Developers often used floats, inline block, manual margin, complex position acts. All these are the Flexbox methods or properties. What are
No, earlier we use this. Developer
okay?
use this. Now they are not able to solve this problem because you are doing manually. Makes sense. If you are doing manually, then you need to apply a hacks to adjust on a different browser, different screen.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So Flexbox solves this by giving a cleaner way to align and distribute elements. Okay. So why it matters? We use Flexbox because it helps us build a layout faster, align content horizontally and vertically, reduce unnecessary CSS hacks, certain responsive UI more easily, create responsive UI more easily, keep code cleaner and easier to maintain. So build layout
Yes.
faster.
Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just go through theory quickly. No worries. We will do a practical. Then you will learn better.
Okay. When should we use Flex? Use Flex when you want to arrange elements in one direction at a time, in a row, in a column. When we arrange elements, so good situation for Flexbox. Navigation bar links in one line, button place side by side, centering text or boxes, forms fields stacked vertically, card items in a row, small dashboard sections, toolbar layouts, menu items. Okay, so good situations for Flexbar. Okay, arranging one direction, row and column. Example, thinking if your layout is mainly left to right, Flexbox is great. Top to bottom, Flexbox is great. If you need a full 2D grid with rows and columns controlled together, CSS grid may fit better. Okay, so where is the Flexbox used in real projects? Flexbox is used almost everywhere in front-end development. So Flexbox real world use cases with code. Real world
Nav bar.
navbar. Okay.
Now you can say create a folder under this basic called Flexbox, and under Flexbox you need to create a one page, and you can say there, yes, create
New
one folder please. In a
Yep.
folder you will say Flexbox, name is Flexbox,
Yep. Flexbox.
and under Flexbox, under that you will say navbar
File or folder?
file,
New file.
navbar.html,
Navbar.html.
navbar.html.
Yep.
Yes, and here you need to create a one CSS file.
Okay.
You
Here,
can say the main.css.
here. Okay. In Flexbox,
Yes, yes,
new file
yes.
and CSS
Main dot, style.css. Style.css.
star.css.
Style. Style.css. Okay. Now you need to do one thing in a header, in a header,
Mhm.
header, HTML header only. No, header. In a
Header.
code itself. No, yes, here. This a head, sorry, head.
Yeah.
In a head, you need, after line number 6,
Mm.
use link tag. Link. Yes, link. No, link.
Yeah.
Yes, enter. This is a reference. You will use style.cs. No, you will get there only. Don't
Okay.
do as tab. Yes,
Style.css.
yes. And now, what you need to do, whatever you are able to see the content in your content in your this or this theory part, paste
Mm.
that there. Paste in a CSS file. Paste, go there. No, go to your MD file.
MD file. Okay.
Flax.md. Don't be
Flex.md.
confused.
Yeah.
HTML part, put in a body. Okay. CSS part, put in a CSS file.
HTML part. Put in a HTML body.
Save this.
CSS part. Put in a CSS.
Both the thing. All. Nav and links, both.
Okay.
Now save.
Yeah.
Now run. Check this. Hold on. To save a time, what you need to do? Hold on. Go back. Go to extension. Go to extension icon. Last icon is the extension icon. Yes, here you will write live server. Search for live server.
Yeah.
Yes, install that extension. Now you are able to click and you are able to launch your page directly from this. Okay. Okay, go back. Go to your click on your HTML page. Yes, click on nav.html. Click. Right click and start. First option. Okay. Allow. Okay. Right click. Okay, it's launched. It's launched in your Chrome browser. It's already
Mhm.
launched. Check. Now you are able to see.
Yeah.
Now go ahead and do the same thing for the another example. Same thing you need to repeat for another thing. Real practicing. Okay. And each and every practice you need to create a new file.
Okay. So you need to style again. I need to create one more style here and put this product cards.
Hold on. Now let me tell you what you need to do. Here they will mention this only products. Makes sense.
Mm.
So class structure. So what you need to do, and there is a card is there. You need to do that. So for HTML you need to write a code, but CSS code is already there. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So what you need to do, you whatever you are copying, it's a part of CSS. So you need to update that file, style.css.
Yeah.
Let me do. Let me
So
tell you how you
we
can
can.
do at my end. Let me share my screen quickly.
Yeah.
When you are able to see my screen, please let me know.
Yeah. I can see.
You are able to see. So what you need to do, let's say you have this already. You have style.css already with you. Okay.
Yeah.
So every time what you need to do, let's say in a this I'm doing for you. let's say this. You can say our second example is. Mhm. So our second example is, let's say this. Mm, So, so never we done that. Am I right? Never HTML structure is there. Makes sense.
Yep.
Now this structure is there. What you need to do? You need to, let me tell you what you need to do. Let's say this is our structure, okay? And here I am doing this for you, and you need to do same thing for next, okay? And we are not targeting to complete everything. When you comfortable, then we can move forward with our next steps, okay?
Mm.
Got my point?
Yeah.
So here never we did. Now we need to go with the this product card, okay? So let's say product card dot html, okay? And here you can say this. We will say main dot css, and what I'm doing here, this html. Mhm. Okay.
Yep.
Now what you did, so you can copy paste your existing code. There no need to reinvent the wheel again and again. Okay. So link src is main.css, relationship is style sheet. Style sheet. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to copy these to css. Okay.
Yep.
And css, and what you need to do, you need to do this in html. What you need to do, you can follow this structure. Like this is our, you can say container is class. Okay, class, you can say products. We are assuming this is our product container. Okay. Here products are there, am I right?
Yep.
We are putting this in a product, and assuming you have this product, and assuming you have this product, we have a 10, you can say, product available with us. Class, you can say this card, okay? And each one have a, you can say, height and width. So let's say product card div, so product one and two. You can take anything. That's not an issue. We need to understand the concept only. Okay, Kumar?
Got it. Hear me, Deepak?
Yes. Sorry?
Uh,
Hello?
I'm audible to you?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay,
I'm
Deepak.
saying we need to understand the concept. We not go deep into this means what is not look nice or stuff like that. No. We are concerned about how you can do that. Okay. And what is the impact you will get there. So here, based on your this, it's working. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Like why? what is the we are doing here? So here we are saying wrap. We are doing this product wrap. If a pixel one this flex. So let me show you. So here we can say background. BG. So actually, this is not applying a Flexbox styling on our page. So that's why we're not able to see any impact there. So this link, link source with this. Okay, it's not a right way to do this. It's a href. Now it will work. Okay.
Yep.
So now you are able to see.
Yep.
Okay. So let's say you want to display the things in a this manner. Means 4 is there. Like if it's an equivalent, let's say 5, then it's look perfect. Okay.
Yep.
Let's
Yep.
say 6, and let's say these are 5. Then your C is look perfect now. Okay.
Yep.
And Flexbox is organizing everything for you. So let me push this for you so that you can take a reference. Okay, you can use this example for another thing as well, whatever you need to try. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Do you have any question or concern?
No. So any number of class you can create it here, right?
Yes, yes. It's totally up to you.
Yeah.
Any number of classes, any number of you can say this attribute selector, any number of your ID selector. Another selectors are no there, but for your role, you don't need to care about those.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just share your screen, please.
I'm sharing now. Yeah. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Just go on through this document first, and whatever practical you need to do, you can take some practical so that we can move ahead. Okay.
Yeah. So you have pushed main.css. Okay. And product card CSS selector complete. No, not this one.
Flexbox.
Flow.
Flexbox.
Okay. No, where are your changes? You have.
Product. Product.card is my file
Oh yeah.
where I am using that.
And main.css is your scripting file.
Styling, not
Styling.
scripting.
Yeah. Styling. Yeah. Sorry.
No, no, it's totally okay.
Okay, now that's fine. Okay, now I'll run the product file, card file now. Here, go here, open with live server. It has come now.
Kumar, the idea is this: you understand the concept only.
Yeah.
Don't means go for means understand deeply right now.
Yeah.
Because in your label, in your role, you need to know this basic thing. You
Yeah.
don't need to care about the, you can say, lot of things here. Hey, you need to go deep into that. No. That's why I'm saying just go through this quickly and do a practical some stuff. And when you are done, then move ahead. Okay. Because whatever you left, you can do as a homework.
Okay. Okay. Now Flexbox here. Product I'll go to do. Now main.css you have created here product and card. And now in the product function product card HTML we have created class product and class card. Product dot products and dot is there. Now same thing I'll do. Where did go here? Go to Flexbox MD. Product cards you have created. Now I'll create chat header. Okay. Now here in the to create the chat header.
Just copy product.file itself. Just copy that file only.
Copy and
Paste in a flex only. Paste in a flex. And move your main.css as well there. Main.css.
copy.
Cut from here and move there.
So
Okay.
here I delete products.
No. Keep it there only. Keep it and whatever you means create a new file from this product card HTML. Create a new file.
Yep.
Copy and paste one more time there in a flex box.
Paste. So
Change a different name.
Rename.
Like what you are doing, which use case we are doing here.
Chat box.
Chat box.
1 minute. I'm going to quickly see that one. Flexbox MD is chat header.
Okay, chat header. Just go with that.
Chat header.
Chat header.
Okay.
Chat header.html. Go to main and paste that thing.
Yeah.
Paste CSS part.
Yeah. In the main and
okay.
Paste.
Here only. Yes. Hold on. So right now, go to your this. Copy this class name chat header and change that to into your body part.
Yep. Chat header.
Body part. No. At the place of product only.
Yep.
And what user? Go to user. Go there. Copy. You can say your style. Another style is user. Class is user. Main.css. Go there. Copy this users.
Yeah. Copy user.
Go there.
Chat header.
At the place of card, use this, and you can say card user at the 4 places. At the 4 places, you need to use this.
Yeah.
User. Yes. Baki rest of the things select and comment. Control /. Rest of the things just select all 5 to till last. Select all. Select till 20, line number 20. Okay. Just control /. Now run this this file.
Yeah. I'll
Chat
save
header.
here. I'll save.
Save both the.
Okay. I've saved now. Okay. Now I'll go
product
to
card.
HTML
Product
chat header.
Chat header. Yes, chat header.
and run. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I haven't linked. The problem here is in the
No, you already linked. That's why you're able to see this.
main.
It's already linked.
Okay. Okay.
So they understand the theory and practical. It's give you a flexibility to organize the thing in as per in a row, horizontal manner or vertical manner. That's it.
Got
Makes
it.
sense.
Yeah.
Go ahead with the flex.
Next is
No,
create.
you don't need to go everything. Just the conceptually wise, you need to understand the thing.
Mm,
Okay, these are different use case you can use, but you can try later. Okay.
yeah.
Now you know how you can try. Am I right?
Yeah. That's right.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
Next is dashboard. Form layout. Dot
No,
form
no.
is
Go ahead. Go ahead with the. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Means in the next section. Go ahead. Yes, this is next section.
mm,
Player. No. Oh, hold on. Yes. How does Flex works? This is
work.
next section which we need to discuss.
Okay. So work using parent relationship. Step one: make parent a flex container. CSS dot
Which we
container.
did. Which we did in our first example, second example, and third example. If
Yeah.
you check in a first, we will make a container flex. Makes sense. And in a second, we use dot product.
Yeah.
And we
So
mention this.
here, which is the child? Parent is HTML, which is called the child. Dot CSS file.
No, parent, parent is a where you will use this class container that
Mm,
will become parent in HTML. And whatever inside that, you will open your file, first file, this
see, now
never, never open this. Now here, this div is a line number 12. Div is a parent. Okay. Under that you have a logo, link, and button. These are a child.
yeah. Okay.
Understand?
Yeah. But here also you have given class as links, right? Only
No
logo
worries.
is,
It's defined.
I think class
Okay, go
nav
ahead. Good.
under class navbar only logo is the child of class navbar. Then for the
No,
class
no,
links,
no. If you check this line number 12 to
mm,
16, it's a starting tag and 16 is the ending tag of this tag.
okay, yeah,
So
correct.
logo is a child. You can say div link is also you can say this child. Button is also a child there.
Yes, correct. These three are the childs. This is the main div
So which we
which have
check there HTML structure render tree. So it's a
yeah,
tree based structure.
yeah. Do we have any extensions like for finding a tree structure kind? Eh,
Yes, you can close that. Click on that. Click on that. Click on top. You are able to see arrow there.
yeah,
No, hold on. On there only, line number 13. Just move. Yes, stay here. Are you able to see arrow?
yeah,
Click.
yeah,
Makes sense.
yeah,
Then you know means who is a child, who is parent.
correct.
Cha- Parent can control a child. So when you close the parent, then you are not able to see the child. This is a way.
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
yeah,
That's why I'm saying you need to do the practice.
okay,
Okay. Okay. Now you understand?
yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Next is a parent-child relationship. Okay, make a parent a flex container and display here. A dot container is a class, is a parent, and display flex. parent selector, and this is a property of this container, which is a child.
No, don't be confused and don't be use these terms here. Here we will call this property. This is not a child.
Flex is a property.
Display is a property and value is a flex.
Yeah.
Child relationship comes under your this HTML tree structure. But here we can call this property and value.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
When
And
you
container
use the
segments.
term, yes, go ahead. Another properties are these as well,
Yeah. Flex
apart
that.
from this.
Okay. Flex direction. This is all the value, right?
No, these are the properties. If you check, if you go up, we use this like flex wrap, gap, go up in a real use cases. Gap we are using, justify content we are using.
No, these are all the values for the property. Values of
No,
no
man, these are the property name. You check
property
there.
name. Okay. Flex direction. Flex. Okay.
Line number 193,
Flex wrap.
flex structure.
Flex direction. Okay.
So
Okay.
that's why I'm not saying don't worry about these things. Just you need to understand the concept and move ahead. Otherwise, we will not able to complete the things on time.
Yep. Correct. Okay. So control direction alignment spacing and common properties we will use. Okay. Control child behavior if needed. So these are the child properties. So flex, flex grow, flex shrink, flex basis, which comes in child properties. Uh,
Basically, parent is there, child is there. Am I right? Child have their own preferences and own nature. Makes sense. Parent have their own nature. So to
yeah.
serve that, you have a different properties for child and parent.
Yeah.
Simple term.
Mm, okay. Flex, flex grow. This is all the child property. Okay. So in child property can be used as a parent property.
No, man. When it's saying child, it's applicable for child only. Let's say you are doing job and your kid is going for school. You cannot go school.
Oh yeah. Okay. So real life analogy. Imagine a school bus. The bus is the flex container. The students sitting inside are the flex items. Okay. So what are the flex items here we have?
Childs. Childs are your flex item.
Flex, flex grow, flex shrink. This is all the flex items. What is the
No. Hold on. Hold on. CSS, we have a four term we are using now. One is flex and another is flex item, child and parent. Four things you need to understand. Parent, which is a holding another things. Make sense?
yep,
Child is a individual entity in in a family. Make
yep,
sense?
yep,
And property is a feature of something which have a name and value, key and value. Like your daughter have a name and age. They have their own specific values. Am I right?
yep,
So here you need to understand four terms: who is, what is parent, what is property, what is value, property value, and what are you can say child. What is, who is child?
yep,
You understand this concept or not? Four
yes,
concept only.
yes,
Then go ahead. Why you're using this interchangeably and confusing these four terms? These are simple terms. Okay. Or
yep,
don't be confused.
Mm.
If you are not able to complete, no worries. But you need to understand this four concept only.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Go ahead and check the, just complete this uh, by studying this carefully.
Mm.
And if something is left you are not able to understand, when we will revisit again. That's not an issue.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
Just complete this so that you will understand the term.
Okay. Next, the bus driver can decide should students sit left to right direction row, or should they sit top to bottom flex direction. Okay. Okay. So students sit left means it's called as a row. Flex direction is treated as row. Left to right. Then top to bottom it's treated as a column. One single column.
Yes.
And with gaps between them is a gap. It's gap.
Yes.
Flex item as a gap. Then should they move to the next row if the space is full? Is a then should they stay centered? Justify content align items. So here flex items are
You can arrange in a bus. How you can arrange? You can sit them here. You need to horizontally. You need to sit horizontally. Let's say you have two seats in a parallel. First, you need to fill that two seats. Then you can move ahead to a next seats. Am I right? Or
yeah,
next row. So that's called horizontally. When you say, hey, you need to one side first, second side next. That's called vertically.
yeah,
So that's why everything is there. You just gone through without stopping, just gone through with this whole document. Okay, wherever you will, then we can visit again. Make sense?
yeah.
Otherwise, some of the answer you will get automatically when you move forward. If you stuck on a some point, you are not able to get the answer.
Yeah. Okay, so flexible is like a smart seating system for elements inside a container. So flexible seating system for elements inside the container. So what are the elements here? These are the elements. Flex direction
Child,
column.
childs are element.
Yeah.
Childs are element here.
Okay.
Smart city system for child means which we need to align. Which thing we are going to align?
Yeah.
Childs are a element here. Makes sense. Don't be
Yeah.
confused.
Correct. Okay. Bus is a parent.
Yes.
Okay. Another analogy: books on a shelf. Shelf is equal to flex container. Books is equal to flex items. Yeah. So you can decide arrange books in one line, center them, spread them evenly, stack them vertically, allow them to move to the next line.
If
In one
you
line,
understand, if you understand starting and go ahead one by one, you don't need to repeat this again and again. This is simple terminology. Parent will decide how student means how child will sit. Okay.
yeah,
That's the only term you need to understand.
okay,
Parent have a full control for a sitting arrangement.
yeah.
Go ahead.
So you can now container only. This is exactly what Flexbox does. Page elements. Okay, so core Flexbox concepts. Flex container, a parent element with CSS display flex. Example, div class container dev1 item to 3. CSS container display is flex. Now the child item will be in the row by default. Okay. Next is flex item. The direct children inside a flex container are called flex items.
As I told you, you will get your answer in the future. You are able to get all the answer you have.
Yeah, yeah.
So don't be stuck. Go ahead.
Example, dev class is equal to container dev class item A. Then here A, B, and C are the flex items. So main axis and cross. This is one of the most important concept. Main axis is the direction in which flex items are placed. Cross axis perpendicular to the main axis. This one, if like direction colon row, main axis is equal to horizontal, cross axis is equal to vertical. Okay. X direction row, horizontal as a main axis, cross axis is vertical. Then if it is a column, flex direction column, vertical main axis and cross axis is horizontal, opposite row. So this is important because justify content works on the main axis. Align items works on the cross axis.
So now we are doing the same thing. Go ahead and check this quickly so that we can means cover another topics as well from next class. So just they are explaining whatever we studied, and in a last, go ahead in a last, go ahead in a last of this thing, last of this page.
Yeah.
Go up little bit, go up, go up, go up. Go up, go up. Up, 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 up. Go up, go up, go up. Yes, 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 yes. Hold on, hold on, hold on. This is a project, okay. Code example, which you can check. Copy that, copy that. No, 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 no. Copy HTML part. Yeah, this part. Copy whole, yes. Copy, copy, copy.
Yeah.
Paste, copy and paste, create a one file called Flexbox project or example. Box example project.html.
Yeah.
Paste that code there. Now right click. Okay. No, just right click and start. Why you right click here? No. You need to open that file only.
Open with live server.
Yes. You need to check the output.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Login, enter your
So
enter password.
basically you need to understand how Flexbox is working and how this is aligned in a center.
Mm.
Okay. And all the property which we discussed are there in this example. If some are not there, for your reference, you have this flex dot box.emd. You can check that. And it's a complete for mastering your Flexbox, which is
Yeah.
not recommended for you now, but for your reference there. Make sense?
Yeah.
So you understand, means Kumar, how we will move forward and what is the idea of this putting this MD file there?
Yeah. So you read the MD file and do practical. So both you will be understanding theory plus practical.
Yes, but we don't want you will go deep into that.
Yeah.
If you want, you can do that later.
Hmm.
Makes
Okay.
sense. But try to keep the focus on a thing which is important or most for us. You need to know the terms there initially,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Correct.
Okay.